In the heart of Thailand, beyond the neon lights and crowded streets, lies a world untouched by time. A land of ancient traditions, vibrant flavours, and the soul of Thai cuisine. For 17 years, I've walked the path of Michelin-star kitchens, mastering techniques, unlocking secrets, but searching for something more. And I found it here, in the rhythm of the village, the fire of the wok, the wisdom of the generations. Now it's your turn. Welcome to the ultimate Thai Cooking Masterclass, an immersive journey into the bold, the fragrant, the unforgettable. Not just recipes, but the why behind every ingredient, every moment and every taste. Welcome to the absolute thick of it here in Isan, Thailand, where I've literally spent a lifetime learning how to cook the most incredible Thai food with the most prestigious matriarchs of this region, alongside my Michelin-star career. This course will now give you the ability to entertain any occasion, whether it be birthday party, dinner party, or even a summer barbecue packed full of flavours from villages here in Isan, Thailand. Now, I aim this course at any level of expertise, from complete beginner, like literally I can't pick up a knife, to a professional chef, as these recipes come uniquely from my Thai family's matriarchs. Even though some of these recipes sound really familiar, each household typically has their own recipes and techniques. So no matter what corner of the world you're from or what career you lead, you're going to learn something very unique. This is Thai cuisine, how nature intended. Authentic, uncompromising, and now yours to master. Are you ready?